If you've been relying on standard generative AI to scale your business, you are already falling behind. Most people think Gen AI is the cutting edge of technology, but the truth is, simple prompt and response tools are becoming outdated fast. Today we're talking about the dawn of autonomous digital action and agentic artificial intelligence. By the end of this presentation, you'll see exactly how it will completely change the way you work. Look at this glowing neural network on the screen. It looks incredibly smart, right? But this represents what I call the reactive trap. Standard Gen AI tools offer isolated capabilities where you ask a simple question and they give you a direct text answer. Therefore, you are forced into constant hand-holding. You literally have to hold their digital hands step by step just to complete a basic workflow. This fragmented manual way of working creates friction and locks your team into a slow, outdated operational model. That manual legacy is exactly what's holding you back. But there is a much better way. Enter Agentic AI. As you can see by this silhouette of a professional breaking through digital barriers, we are no longer just talking to chatbots. If standard AI is like a helpful intern waiting for your exact instructions, Agentic AI is like hiring a senior executive who just gets the job done. Here is the core difference. Agentic AI operates in an entirely proactive manner. Instead of feeding it a dozen individual prompts, you provide one massive, high-level goal. Therefore, the system autonomously commands multiple capabilities to flawlessly handle the entire complex workflow from end to end. You don't have to monitor its every move, it just works. This is what true autonomous digital action looks like. To really understand where we are, let's look at the evolutionary ladder of AI. We started at stage 1 with LLM chatbots, which provided basic, reactive text generation with zero memory. Then we moved to stage 2 with RAG systems, which accessed internal docs but remained reactive without real autonomy. Stage 3 gave us tool-augmented AI that could execute basic actions like sending emails, but they froze completely when unexpected problems arose. Therefore, we have now arrived at stage 4 true agents. These systems are fully proactive, aware, possessing memory, and capable of adapting seamlessly to chaos in real time. Now contrast that with the autonomous recruiter. Here is your new reality. Your agent drafts the job description and automatically publishes it to LinkedIn. It continuously monitors the application volume and autonomously suggests paid ad boosts if rates drop. When resumes come in, it downloads and instantly parses dozens of them, categorizing them into strong, partial, and weak matches. Finally, it checks your calendar, schedules the interviews, and even drafts the final corporate offer letters. One high-level prompt leads to end-to-end execution, which is how you achieve a massive reward for a surprisingly small amount of effort. So what actually makes this possible? True agents have specific defining characteristics. First, autonomy. An agent makes complex decisions independently, choosing tools and executing internal logic loops without your step-by-step instruction. Second, they are goal-oriented. They maintain persistent focus on objectives, using your high-level goal as their true compass. Therefore, they excel at strategic planning. They can break massive goals into structured daily actions and evaluate multiple execution plans to avoid hidden risks. But being autonomous isn't enough if the system isn't smart, which brings us to the second half of these defining characteristics. A true agent uses logical reasoning. It acts like a sharp detective, continuously interpreting complex information to make smart decisions. But what happens when things break? That's where dynamic adaptability comes in. If an API fails, it quickly changes strategy and finds alternate routes seamlessly in real time. Finally, context awareness. It retains perfect short and long-term memory, using past interactions to guide future crucial choices. As you can see by this glowing, hyper-connected laptop, we are actively building the engine for this new era. Achieving digital autonomy requires more than just a smart prompt. Every true agentic system requires a sophisticated 5-part internal architecture to function properly. We are shifting away from writing simple manual prompts to constructing robust systems capable of interacting with the physical digital world. Let's open the hood and look at this 5-part system architecture. First, the reasoning brain, or your LLM. This is the cognitive center that translates your language into intent. Second, the master orchestrator. Think of this as your project manager, sequencing tasks and directing data flow. Third, the digital tools. These are the virtual hands and legs interacting with outside APIs and databases. Fourth is dynamic memory, the filing system tracking your short and long-term preferences. But we can't let it run entirely unchecked. Therefore, we have the fifth component, the human supervisor. This acts as the safety check, handling high-risk approvals and ensuring ethical guardrails are always followed. And that brings us to the final, most important shift, the shift in your beliefs. You are no longer just a prompt engineer. You are no longer the operator stuck in the reactive trap. With Agentic AI, you are a system commander overseeing massive digital workflows. You have gone from operator to director. If you want to scale your output without scaling your stress, this is the blueprint, so it's time to start building your own autonomous engine.